Hello, and welcome to LinkedPal's tutorial on how to create connection request campaigns from scratch. Let's start by clicking the Start Outreach button. Select the Find New Leads option to find LinkedIn leads as you create your outreach campaign. Find targeted leads by entering industry-specific keywords as well as title and location. Let's save our new leads to a list. Let's give our list a name, add some keywords you've used, and you can also add a short description. After your leads are saved, you can view a brief overview of each lead's information. Craft your outreach with AI-generated messages or your own custom templates. Customize AI writing by adjusting tone and message length. You can also add extra instructions for the AI to follow. Your outreach follows a preset schedule that you can set here. Select your time zone and a time frame for the system to send out your outreach messages. Please note that you can only send up to 10 outreach messages per day due to LinkedIn's messaging limits. Now that the connection request campaign is set up, you can add follow-up sequences after connecting with your leads. You can add follow-up messages, like recent posts, or revoke connection requests and set time intervals in between. Finally, once everything is set up, you can start your campaign instantly or start manually later. Press this button to toggle your outreach on and off at any time.